So good. So good. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. We're on our way to a mini road trip slash camping. It's gonna be 3 day, 2 night. We're halfway to our first spot right now, and we decided to stop right here to use the restroom real quick and grab a bite. Since it's right now it's like 1 p.m. It's lunchtime and we haven't had anything to eat yet. And to our first spot is roughly 2.5 hours more, so we kind of halfway. Yeah, we're just gonna stop by right here, grab a bite real quick, and then we're on our way. Hey guys, we just got here to our first stop, which is the hot spring. This hot spring called Buckeyes Hot Spring is right by Buckeyes Creek, and we just got here. To access to the hot tub or the hot spring, you gotta hike down a little bit. So that's what I'm doing right now. Start up there, hiking down right now. On the way down, there's actually two small tub up there, but the water is not as warm. It's warm, but it's not like hot spring, you know. So want to go down and check it out on the bottom. Hopefully it'll be better. The hike down, it's not that bad. Just, you know, to take your time, take it slow, don't rush. But you should be able to do it with no effort. I can already see the water flow, the start where the water coming out of the ground. That's where it's come down, and it will go down there right in front of the creek. So you'll see it when you get down there, but that's where the water coming out from the ground. I can see a little bit of steam coming up, but not too much. All right, so just a little bit more all the way down there, and we'll be down there. So good. So good. So nice, so nice, so nice. Hey guys, so after the hot spring, we went back up to the car and then drove around to find a camp spot. We saw a few campsites, but then it's too windy out there, so we decided to drive back into the wood where the trees are so they can block the wind. We finally found a spot for us, not too far from the main road, but it will do for now. Tonight, we're just gonna camp here, and in the morning, we'll make our way to the next spot. All right, we're just gonna cook some food and then just enjoy the night, the food. The noodle kind of overflow. Tonight we'll be having tonkatsu noodles. This one we got at Costco. This package right here. Very simple to make and very quick, very convenient. All you need to do is put it in a pot, bring it to boil, and it's ready to eat. And it's perfect for this weather. Oh, look at that. It's so good. All right, guys. So we ate our tonkatsu, chill a bit by the fire. I just set up the tent. We're gonna go hang out in the tent a bit because it's a little colder out here. One of the reasons why I went on this trip is to try this thing out right here. This is a diesel heater from Hcalory. It's I think this is a newer version of it. Right now I'm gonna set it up and see how it does. Okay, bring this inside. All right, guys, so I just got it up and running. Having a little trouble because I bought this is 4-inch and the thing is like about 3.5 inch. So gotta make some work, trying to make it work. So what it does is that's where the outlet, the warm air going up to the tent right there. Yep. And the exhaust, I just cut it up a little bit so it's short and tidy. Same with the fresh air intake. There you go. You can see. Yep. And right now is on heat level 2, so we'll see how it goes. You can hear the gas pump. Alright guys, so it's only been 10 minutes and I'm in my tent right now and it's hot up in here. I'm on just a t-shirt and short, but it's hot up in here. I mean, I do have the insulation as well, but I think this heat is good. And I'm only on level 1 or heat 1. There's 1 to 10, but I'm the lowest setting. And it's warm up in here. I think this is good. Maybe next time I'll try without the insulation, but tonight I'm sleeping good. It's so cozy, so warm up in here. Alrighty, good night guys. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. Last night was awesome. I slept like a baby. The heater worked amazing. Is to the point that during the night we had to turn it off because it was getting too hot. But the insulation helped and just keep the warm inside the whole night, so it was good. I just made some coffee, so we're gonna enjoy some coffee, enjoy this view a little bit, and then probably gonna have some breakfast. Hey guys, I just made some breakfast. It's just some bread with pork belly and eggs. So good. I usually just make this or burrito wrap, but today we have some bread, so I end up making bread. What's your favorite breakfast meal? Let me know. Maybe I'll try it out next time. But this is perfect. So good. So good. I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's wind. Good thing that we went in here and camped for the night, because last night we can hear some gnarly wind going through. I can't imagine what it's like out there in the open. But here it's good. It's nice. It's raining a little bit last night. Not too hard, just a little bit. But yeah, it was good. So we're gonna have some breakfast real quick, and then we'll head out.